Ready? Sorry, youth. Sorry, youth. We'll take you free kill. Think what you want of me, I will take that free kill. Alright, I'm gonna try to trust in a little bit. Sniper? No game, no sniper, sniper.
No, you're not gonna feel back. You're not gonna feel back. You see what that money was?
Alright, I see you.
You restrict out everything where you own. So it's balanced. What that you do? You know where you know. You are where you begin. You squeeze out the money when you squeeze out the money.
So you to shoot up here. Miss we, I just did it. At least everything I do. Kill them 12 shots. Ah, you're mid. Dirty boy, the man, sure. You better kill him, you know? You better kill him. So you save the man, you better kill him. Yo. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright, kill him. So if you not see every day if you have a heap of rubbish. Oh, hey laddie. Every day if you not see if you have a heap of rubbish every day. Huh? Which box? See it here. Me clean it, I told you, I do it.
What about
Are the Ethernet cable? I did one for somebody. Did move it. That's being right. Come on, that's being sexist. Of course, that's being sexist. You say you know man stay, that's being sexist. Oh, laddie, go in the bag. Sure, yo, we're not alright there, man. No, we're not alright. It's like how many? It's like, alright, hold on. Alright, hold on. Alright, it's like what? How much are we in our store? It's like 8. No, it's like 18 of. It's like 18 of us, right? Because there's so many of you calling me at different times to do things, and then sometimes. Alright, watch this now. Cause like I'm still not done some work for a money, you know. Of course, not something like that. I'm always doing something. Right? But yeah, alright, tell you what. There's an easier way to get this done. Right? It's like how you know something now go done it, just do it. So that yeah, but alright. Well then you have to go just wait for me to do it then. You're gonna have to just wait on me to get the time to do it. You get something for me? You do something for me? Step taller and thicker and not as handsome as me. But that's not my opinion, that's a fact. Yeah, how we doing, everybody? Alright, let's see what challenges I have. There is none here, so place a cozy campfire or launch pad is different much. Build structures. I know me build more than any amount of it. Sure. Alright, visit it. Paradise and salty, nothing too much. Alright. Shifty or lonely. Shoot opponent and vehicle. I am never putting this thing on. Yes. Huh? I don't know why they don't fix it. Fix it. I mean, that's what they get paid for, right? Four remaining. Thank you, Stacy. Lisa! Yeah, me know. That's why I don't put the effort into trying. Like, no matter what I do, I'll never be good enough for any of you guys. What's one in them? Yeah, boy. So join up. Spam, yeah. Oh, Mickey, I'm not probably true. Oh, I got a marshmallow. Yo, brother, what going? Yo, we could go close encounters. Alright. Let's see what the chat looks like. Yo, I pray. There, easy to kick up one streaming idea.
Oh, you streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm streaming right now.
Oh, well, man. Make sure to drop a like and
I try to
leave a comment, share.
I try to make a stream maybe for like 45 minutes in the morning and a little bit in the evening. So I can stay more consistent, because since I don't have the internet, I have to do some things so I can keep my content up there. Otherwise, you know, YouTube will push me out of them algorithm. Push me down in them algorithm. That's it. And that's what I don't want. I don't want that. They're kind of hard to avoid still, but
That's why it's like, yo, I be saying it should be a community thing, bro. But, you know.
what, the YouTube?
It's hard regardless. Yeah, like where, you know what I'm saying? Every man, like, know if it's tab up one win on, you know?
Oh, yeah. That's why I always tell people, say, if you can set like streaming hours, that would be a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because that way people...
Alright, come on, bus,
Happy omelette. Oh, yeah, me not get the banner over there yet, you know?
Yeah, I'm here to play my blood, man.
I could have mine, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, well, I'm jump up. Just... Yeah, my mic hella loud. Yeah, ridiculous. If? Hold on, say that again. Nothing not gonna shock you up, man. It's all good.
Yeah, double key, man.
Yeah. I see a nigga over there. We'll get
Yeah,
that
break.
done.
Why am I hitting two walls, though? I don't understand. I got loot.
Yo, what that, Cornelius? Hey, what's up, Cornelius? Nice. I think I got a hash tip too. I don't remember what my hash tip is. Thanks much, Cornelius. It's been a while. How you doing, man?
Bless, are you one over there, sir?
Yeah, I'm so forward, man. Oh, y'all ain't that far. So forward, man.
I'm not stupid, dumbass. He's spamming me. From west.
Alright, Cornelius. I'm trying to see if I can connect the
Somebody follow you, money. Somebody follow you, money.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, come in.
161.
Great. Yeah, go ahead.
1 HP?
Hope I get a glider redeploy up here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, one more. Yo, two more. That one.
Oh, no.
Good. Just got this boombox. Except for us, we're still here.
Good. No one to RPG.
Oh, yeah.
I could loot this place some more, but like squads, if I encounter 4 people, screwed.
Oh.
Alright, so we got some more people rolling in. Unruly chip. That's what she said I should have give to you. It's what she said. It's not what I... It's what she said.
Is that you, money?
Yeah.
Up in unruly chip, where I pray. That's the one she told me to though. So I'm just doing what I'm told, you know. If
I swear I need a better change.
You sure about this? The copyright one? I'm not sure.
Down D-pad.
What about your left D-pad?
Nah, down close. But it's just, I don't like taking my hand off the button. Change it.
If?
Yeah, that's why I like jump. You see, everything I'm feel uncomfortable doing, I just jump while I'm doing that.
Oh, yo,
so
yeah. I don't do that. I never. I ain't thinking of that.
Because it's like, I'm like, stop moving, that's just weird. You know? You'll get beaten.
And yeah, you know where the secret banner is in here?
It's on the side of a greenhouse over
Boy.
there, right?
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Yo, there's a dude got his trap in here, yo. Nobody saw this?
Yeah, want to pull up right there. Oh, I got some rockets too.
Yeah, maybe I'll drop the hook out find it. Oh, it's right, that's right.
One. Wait, put that in. Yeah, you have a screw? So now we'll have to put it in and find it.
Got a med kit for jail for money. I'm on there, up on the hilltop.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. This is one place I could loot for a minute, dog. I loot not done right now, so.
Alright, my fault, brother. What you say, you know?
Who that? Oh, it's on that. Like, right there, the one you at.
You wanna meet there?
This one come over.
Even a switch a trap most time.
Cause they show it next to the clock house. There's a clock.
A plane pushing us.
Yeah, it is.
What? That's the one guy on it.
I'm saying looks like it's three of them. Yeah, it's definitely three of them.
Beat that. Oh, no, triple S, get triple S fast. Imagine this big field. Yo, I don't know. Move back over there. I got it. Oh, I never did that. Oh, see that two. Yo, triple S.
Yeah, I see them. Yeah, they're southwest.
One more. Yeah, see, that's why I'm doing it.
Yeah. More flank, right?
Somebody might be flanking, yeah. Somebody might be around there. There might be a couple around there. There.
Alright.
Oh, how I missed.
Yes.
Oh, good knock.
Alright, make it one screw.
I'm supposed to knock one of these.
Yeah, I'm gonna put one of them in there.
by yourself over there.
Yeah.
No, I talked to him. But there, oh, he above me, money, above me. Alright, in this house. Either above me or in this house. Where?
Yeah. Knock one?
Oh yeah, looks good. I got somebody else over here.
Knock two?
I got one over there. I don't got no match. The cat, no shield.
Push your ass, nigga. What's wrong with you? Manners, bro.
Yo, me not have no much. I got 20, 28, 21.
I got my side.
Yo, 10 rockets right here for you. You need a slurp?
Yeah. You know what the man me embarrassed as well, I don't even know, bro. I was just embarrassing it.
Yo, let me see some of the rocket them.
Yo, Mexico,
like
yo, come over with me there. Like, hella loot. Now they all some little boy.
What floor is this?
No, I don't know something like this.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, somebody in and they do it right so one of them walk in.
Yeah, it can take work. Man. Yeah, give me the one thing. What's that road?
Oh shit. Yeah, this is a farm.
Yeah. Well, not food parity 101. Not a lot, but.
Yeah. It's like doing stuff right now. You can probably spam me.
Not running around with it. See a drop 30, like over by chair.
Like them brothers they should have never killed me, yo. Cause like as soon as the man come, all of a sudden SMG just like SMG
they all
slow, then all of a sudden it just start move fast. Just all over the place like
Yo, in the plane they up there when they come?
I didn't even look over there.
Oh, over here. Hello, no.
My plane is it?
Huh?
I got a jump pad.
try see if I can
No plane and a half a building. What did I try to find a drop there or get eyes on it? I think it's gone though. Yeah, somebody must have named it. Yeah, that gone, bro. Oh wait, there's a plane right up there. What the hell am I saying? Yeah. This is Half-Life. You wanna get that test? What?
Wait a minute. I got slow flash down my shit.
Yeah, I don't like that, yo. Hey, green slash stick, right? Good enough? Nope.
So, wall of first cover that, that's crazy. That's just crazy to imagine the whole of this cover.
Yeah,
Almost
cause
from
the iceberg,
deep height.
remember the iceberg licking our map now.
I didn't
Oh yeah,
even
that's right.
experience
Still
it.
switches to the microphone.
In India,
Yeah, just very small, not that one, this one. And then still like people, yeah, people
they'll
there
fight.
across. Yeah, across. One straight across, one across.
Yeah, they're fighting.
The AC, your AC is
Yeah, I ain't
supposed to be
taking no
working.
free damage.
Yeah, it should be working. The two on my side now is supposed to be fixed.
Yeah, I'm watch your back first. Just on the phone first. And then focus on them niggas. I don't think they fight.
He never came the day when he was supposed to come. The day when he
Oh,
comes,
we have
then work
circle
on the one
again?
of them
Yo,
downstairs.
buddy, ready for this one?
Right.
Like, straight away.
So, the company where them order
What's the
the
rockets for me?
the
Ready?
part to the
Man of flying, man of flying.
The one whenever they work from early up this year.
Yo, triple S.
That the company that the one that them supposed to get the part. Because me hear them call her and tell her to get the part. But
I dropped down.
the other one no. Them not get the part.
On the hill?
After this one year now we just start getting it.
Yeah, see over there too good. I'm looking at the phone. Damn, bro. Oh, way down there, damn. It's almost worth it, but I'm not much of. Oh, wait, build up on the side of the hill, right?
Yeah.
Yo, you want my go fit?
Yeah, go for it. I want it.
Oh my god, holy. Chug.
If I can't find this field.
Pop it every time, guys.
Yeah, man, I'm popping right now. Oh, guess what, yo? I kinda screwed up, but I'm gonna do this. Again. Nobody not dead yet.
What's my goal for 2019? I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the goal for 2019. Get to Alright, so the goal for 2019 is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Well, going to Big Sergeant, welcome to the stream. Get to 1,000 subscribers and do another giveaway. That's the goal.
triple S.
Alright, so if I can get to 1,000, do another giveaway.
Triple S.
Right.
Plus, mute us. They pushing us money.
Another goal for the channel is to change somebody's life.
Yeah, you're not on a rocket.
So like if I can get that influence to change
Yeah,
somebody's life.
I'm gonna try to climb up. Yeah, right there on me, left side. There you go, he going down. One up there though.
They're not coming.
Damn, all the bullets in this bullshit. You got all of them? Alright, good shit. 2v2. I'm never medkit.
Yeah, they're down there. They're fighting, I think, bro.
I'm gonna wrap up a medkit, yeah?
What are we gonna do then? Well, let me do it. Let me do it. I know where you get the shot.
1-1. No steal on the glider, bro.
How are we gonna do that?
Oh, we gotta
hey,
get
Savage
out.
King
We gotta
219,
get
what's up? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Jamaican 1v1. Strategy 44. One day eventually, I start doing some 1v1.
Fuck. Minute. 1 minute.
I'm gonna put up a lamp.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, high ground, GG.
What left? What left? Your man, I don't play, you know that. Leave it. What?
Yeah, pressure down the money. You're good, right?
I don't know if most if
No, I'm not good.
Alright, you go come the third party, bro. I'm dealing with the third parties, yeah?
Yep, no, you're not.
He boxing in.
Ask the
I'm pull up on you. Where the boy had the money?
Me full of chat. Tell them already. You only full of chat when you can't back up.
Got him?
Alright, one more boy over there. 165. Up at the money. They're in the middle.
We're in there.
I'm on the
11 kills, easy. No.
Easy, man.
And then that's again now, the real one there.
Where's the money? 5,000 next year again.
Yes, I look for your stats, bro.
Press square, yeah.
Friend bonus, 2 So you said total XP, 1,633.
I got 1,822.
What? What?
GG is 11 kills in total, 7 for it.
How, bro?
Yeah. I don't know that. This is weird, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a friend of mine, bro. This is just weird, bro.
Alright, questions now. Jamaican 1v1 one day, I'm not sure. I'll announce the day and let you guys know exactly the day and everything. Right? How are we gonna do that? Alright, for the 1,000 I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000, so I'm giving away 10 some PSN gift cards. Also, if you're an Xbox user, you can get Xbox gift cards. Golden Glider, what's up?
New thing. Oh, they did bring back the chair, the referee guys.
Yeah, it is done, bro. I already know that.
I say, I get down there.
Right?
The
Aside
referee?
from that, campaigning a little bit more. Right?
At the 800, right?
Oh, wait.
Man, them still have marshmallow.
That ass, bro? Time mode. I'm gonna get time mode.
Yo, the most I mean I party say, man.
No.
Hey, midnight party say, man, because we don't seem like midnight party. I don't know what about.
Yeah, you in there, you ready though. Yo, show up the people the item shop, new item shop. Bro, yo, they got a free thing, free football.
Oh, Snapple. Yo, my headphone just plug out.
Yo, free football, bro. Yo, free emote.
Oh, yeah, me see it, yo, football.
Like, share, and subscribe, free emote.
So like, share, and subscribe, people. Free emote, yo.
Go long, bro.
What's the go long? That's it, sir? Yeah, go long. What, buy the free one? Yeah, I'm buying
the time out.
Yeah, I was about to buy it.
I'm buy 2 skin, bro.
Cheer up, look at me, but like...
Pig skin in there for real, really. Pig skin?
Yeah, pig skin in there.
Yo, fire, but not pig in there.
You're the rat.
Pig skin, what's the pig skin? Oh, pig skin.
Football, that them car ball, bro. Alright.
Up and up,
no, bro. I kinda want to tear up that, but not like that.
Yeah, I kinda want it, bro.
Be aggressive.
That is it? Be aggressive.
Yeah,
Oh,
be aggressive.
Oh, yo,
I
radio.
actually want it, bro. But me, I'm
yeah, you know
400.
some of that. Hey, man.
Yeah, now play for the 1K,
Yes,
2019
baby,
year of 1,000 subscribers. The doing more
Yeah, I forgot I know a lot about
Yo, that is as disturbing as things could have possibly get, yo. Things look weird.
What that?
You keep
That,
a big
yeah,
dance with that,
they
bro.
come like when them do the
Yeah, they gonna be mad.
They're gonna be mad.
yeah,
They gonna
because
be
the
mad.
map more flexible compared to blue. That's why them have these Swiffer thing.
Yo,
Oh, hold
pink
on,
skin
wait.
knowing I love it, bro.
Yo, miss. Me invite. Who joined up with me a while ago? Golden Glider join up. Hold on, let me see me can invite Golden. Oh no, party private. Oh, me can suggest him,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah, suggest him.
Yeah, hold on, let me see me can suggest
Well,
him.
man have a good mic, bro.
Yeah.
Go along, bro.
Hello.
Yo, Golden Glider.
Oh,
Go
man.
along.
Hey. Yo, hold on. Nobody jump there. Let me invite him.
Alright, hold on, wait, let me see if we can get a handful.
Go to the block.
I got it. Alright, the block. What the? Yo, what on my youth? So what then? The motor. Yeah, you know I got a little channel, a little something.
Nice.
Nah, bro, I just started. I'm underground. I hear it deep. Dude on me. Yeah.
Yo. Whoa, yo, fam. Chill out, fam, yo.
Yes, right, load. Golden Glider, there's bandages.
I knew that was
What the hell is going on?
Oh, there's this other guy.
Behind you, Carson.
This dude was something.
Alright, hold on, bro. I need to hear.
Yeah, this dude was
What's going on?
Let me see.
We do, but I don't know who's who and who is really. Oh, yeah.
Keep
Yo, your mic kinda low though, bro. Golden Glider.
Oh, Golden Glider is Savage King.
Somebody just died above me.
What's that? Come in minutes?
Yeah, I need shit. I need shit.
How much likes are we up to right now?
I see 6 on my screen. Yo, somebody right above us. Yo, Glider, I'm gonna drop a grenade down here. What is that? What the hell was that? The pigskin? Yo, enemy behind you, bro. Kelly, it didn't break the floor, that's weird. It doesn't break the floor above it, I never knew that. Above the other side.
I don't see them.
Oh, send it
Oh, I
there.
see them.
Where you there?
Oh, no, this is
right here, walking on metal. Yeah, above us. Whoa, above us. Yeah, 100% there.
Yeah, the most I, yeah, them that, yeah, if you go out, them they above them, the dirty there, so. See them there.
Oh, Andre money. What the fuck? I got him. Got him.
Go a while ago.
Nah, I don't know. Yo, whoa, leave my loot, bro. Yo, triple. That man don't know what the thing said.
Ah, man, you know the code, man. You know the code.
Okay.
Right this one, sir.
Wait, I had a med kit that whole time. When the hell did I pick that up? You could have a grenade launcher right there, bro. Anybody else tell them? Or, what am I saying? Sniper
hopefully when I check the guy today, him actually tell me saying finish with the phone so we can actually play some Fortnite later on.
Why nobody ever gets this?
That's a dead shot, bro. You ever see when
Are you a member
a
of
rat walk
the
and
Jamaica
a sticky trap?
Games or Jamaica Gamers Facebook group? No,
Yo,
no, I'm not a member. Hold on, let
You
me
ever
look
see
that
when
up.
a rat walk and a sticky trap?
So what?
Let me look that up.
If when a rat go on a sticky trap, you ever see that?
Yeah.
That's what them chests is, bro.
Yeah, you go get stuck.
Oh hell no.
Hold on, let me look that up quick, Cornelius.
You ain't from the hood, bro. You from the hood? What the hell rats doing in your house?
Here the most I. Since when do rats like stick and food specifically weird?
Where they wanna live?
Yeah, exactly. Like they're just like rats just like nigga, we get up. So
Oh
we
my,
go.
you trust me? No, I'm not telling a lie. You might show some, yo, you see, up here some of youth, the man them have certain thing like, yo, the man them is in a suburbs, dog. You ain't finding none of that shit, bro. But in a hood, like in the urban areas, the city them, dog, deer, right, dog. I like not that money.
No.
They say mine got them exterminator, they got their rat.
Yeah, no, that ass, bro. Them got the tone work on them shit where make sure the tone keep clean.
They got like a emergency rat spray.
Yeah. When mosquito truck drive wrong and spray mosquito.
I'm trying to find this thing, but I can't find it. Alright, I'll look it up later.
I got no bullets.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up later. Alright. Have a promo video for this to JVC. I just sent a member request to share your videos.
Which one now move?
We'll be at 1K in no time. Alright, cool. I appreciate it. Piccolo son, what one? The Destroyer.
I'm sure, bro. I don't need that.
Alright, thanks so much, Cornelius. I appreciate the support, bro.
You could like, go ahead and look out.
I'm supposed to give somebody a shout out, right?
Yeah, Apple there, that's all.
Judy Rand, I was saying with earlier today, was the one who sponsored these headphones to the channel, right? So mostly use those for me. They're not that good.
Enemy report, I think the money.
And
Really?
yeah, we're trying to see if we can get the best of Jamrock day 3 as soon as possible.
Yo, purple P90 on me.
Nice. Let's make the best of Jamrock day 3 out of the way so we can actually start a brand new tournament. We want to see if we can get some money in this tournament. Alright? So we're gonna have some cash prizes, but we're not gonna have the cash prize where anybody physically pick it up, because we don't want anybody getting robbed. I don't want nobody dragging nobody. So if you don't have an account, you're planning to enter it, that's one of the biggest requirements. You need an account. Maybe not a PayPal, but you need to get an account. Right? So we can deposit it. So as soon as we get the fine details out of the way, we'll let you guys know. Alright?
Yo, Golden Glider, your mic, bro. You ain't turn it down.
Alright, so Giovanni Williams.
Your mic is loud.
Giovanni Williams is our latest subscriber. Giovanni Williams donated to the channel. Thank you so much, Giovanni Williams. Really appreciate it. Your money is going to good cause. Planning to buy some new equipment this year as well. So that's just one goal too. Because if you can get some new equipment, we want to get a new PC. We want to see if we can get a secondary PC as well. So we have this older PC, the new PC, and a secondary PC so we can edit. So we can do bigger, more flashier edits with the more high-end software on the bigger PC. Do the smaller edits on the other PC as well as on this PC. So we can actually get more content out at a quicker rate. Because one of the reasons why you guys only get like maybe 1 or 2 videos a day is because of the amount of time that it takes. So after I edit, sometimes I might spend 4 or 5 hours editing the video. Then I have to wait maybe another 2 or 3 hours to export.
Oh, I see him. They landed there, they're diving right towards us. Come here. I want you tonight enough.
Yo, I think it's teammate is not pull up all them, okay?
Alright, man, pull up.
Up in Tony, yo, Wagwan, Marmar, Wipri, welcome to the stream,
hold on. Circle up close and we're out the circle. I'm not playing, I know.
Yo,
the man just take off in our next plane.
Let's get a bigger thing. Trying actually helping us to get to that 1K goal.
Really?
God, bro, what the
f***? Money. Fuck, man. Yo, this dude pressure. Yeah, go and go deal. You can go deal with them. Tony, you get it? Oh, nothing, man. GG's. We get GG's in the chat. Yo, people, enough respect to Cornelius for actually helping out with the 1K goal. So Cornelius, sharing the stream, sharing the channel, everything. So, what if I stuff him I do? Really appreciate it. Giovanni Williams donated some funds, right? Really appreciate that as well. So all of the donations that I got from last year to this year actually still saved up, stored up there in the PayPal until we reach the goal. We can get one of the stuff we're supposed to get. As soon as we get it. We'll vlog that, make on the feed so you guys know exactly where your money goes. Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, so Marmar, wait up on Tony, did you get the video? I sent you the I sent you the intro and the end screen today. I don't know if you get them. Like the PC I moved extra slow from the other day, so
yo, Marmar in the champ.
I'm not sure, you know. Can't wait to do 1v1. Just to make you know, Prodigy, you might be disappointed, you know, because I'm not the best Fortnite player in the world, so I've been told. But even so, you know, must get the excited gameplay where you're looking for. Trust me, cause I'm still trying to figure out my skills though. Only have 50 wins. Oh, you have a lot. I don't think I got 50 wins.
Man.
Yeah, you call it. Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, we can go play that. Next time I ask you to
money. 3 notes in there. Alright, hold on, dog. Yeah, do trios over this anymore, bro. That shit let me down for a year straight.
Yo, you can make one more snobby short story, yo. Yo, them super epic, yo. For those of you who don't know, check out the
Yeah, you
multi
know which
channel.
one with them on.
Just some short
Grenade
scripts.
launcher. RIP. Got a study.
Somebody above us in the most side.
Come on.
Oh, that sound like the golden glider, man.
Somebody over there.
Next door. On the roof, money. Got him.
Anything you have, man?
Yo, I cannot hear because of
Oh, golden glider. Yo.
mic.
Yo, they south, one.
Loud, bro. Wait, I see him. Wow, how that? Man, yo, the bullet
right
dropped
here.
back at
Right
the
here,
thing,
watch your back.
dog.
Yeah, me see him.
Oh, yeah, I see.
One shot.
Yo, Bob, right here. So, right behind this fence, bro. I only got a shotgun. Right that's behind this brown fence. See him on that street, yeah, dog. You see him, right?
Yeah.
No, boy, don't try that. Yeah, the freaking thing there. What they call it? Raiden, whatever. Renegade, whatever.
Yeah.
Raider.
Yo, I need a different gun. Alright, I'm gonna take this scope AR.
Yeah, I got a message to somebody. I'm just, oh, I need this.
Yeah, I could take it.
No, triple it. Come on.
Where at? Oh, yo, them dudes, southeast, you know.
Well, I really ain't got no gun.
Yeah, me either. I got 10 shotgun shots and everything is empty.
In the middle. They spot in the middle.
Alright, hold
Who
on.
need AR bullets?
I could use a little. Give me some AR bullets. Nice, alright, I'm cool. I'm Gucci now.
Knock out.
Where'd I do that?
Yo, he's weak. 10 HP, bro.
The feeling coming, bro. I'm gonna pick this dude up.
Yeah.
Get him. Oh, I see him behind the red truck right here. Knock one.
You're knocking again, bro.
You gotta just stay in cover, bro, till we finish this fight. Where's this guy? I see him. I them on that beam is still money with the AK?
Yeah.
I got one grenade, I'ma send that thing, bro. That's it. And look, it bounced back off by trees. Yes!
I'm sending him golden glider.
Yeah,
Yo,
I
can't
hate
see
this
them.
game, bro. Oh, he sent him home? Alright,
Yeah,
see.
I'm sending him
Where the
golden
man
glider.
at?
May I try find him? I can't find him.
I don't got no more mess, dog.
Hindi naman, hindi na still.
Yeah, but wait a minute.
He's in the box, though. You got him on it?
No. One shot.
Good stuff. Alright, I guess I made kill Mr. Veta. Yo, take his loot. I'm not grabbing that.
Shit.
Oh, we got circle a little bit.
Yo, something makes sound over the side there, but I don't know what it is. Not you, don't know.
Yeah, I got 2 bandages.
No?
Nice, bro.
So where the sound coming from?
Riff coming from motel.
People. Yeah, people coming from motel.
They pushing us?
No, man, activate.
No. I'm gonna say them
We
riff
need
out
some
the
views,
motel.
though. I need some views.
Yeah, there's a grenade launcher right here for somebody. Only 2 in it.
Yo, I
though.
got a mini. Right there.
Llama?
Whoa,
Yeah.
plane.
Yeah, I see them. I don't think they see us.
You know what?
They see us, bro.
40 SP? 40 shield?
Yo, they jumped out.
Of course, that melt.
Yo, get up back.
Yo, hold on. See the minigun there, somebody can jump on. Yo, ooh, I'm beaming, bro. Yo, I had one for 40, then 23, dog.
They coming back.
Nah, they ripped. They ripped the plane.
Yo, they're trying to take that hill.
It's out the
You
circle.
have to go to circle.
It's out the circle.
Alright, yeah, them alright.
You see them
I think
come
he's
back.
coming up here. Come up here. Oh, he landed a rift. I don't care about no rift. Are you want to kill that?
Yo, one day below the hill. To your right, money and the most side. One day below the hill.
Right down here?
Yeah, there's a rift.
A rift. Oh, here's a rift. We could use this. I'm using it right now. I'm in this.
Come on, game.
Oh, hell no. Circle, bro.
Yo, screw
I
this
said
thing.
I marked it.
Yo, I'm not gonna make it, yo. I just completely missed it.
What? You missed it?
I missed it. I slid down instead of falling through the rift, yo. I'm gonna have to find my own way. And whoa! I'm being shot at.
And you ain't even get the bandages?
Nah, I'm being shot at. Yo, when I forgot to leave me,
I think so, dog. Yo, man up on top of Dusty. Whoa. On top, 2 dudes lining up.
Come on, rift to go.
Come on.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, nice. Yo, man, I got you.
Yo, people are behind us. Money, them people are behind us. They might hear me up.
Where?
Broken house. Behind Dusty.
Where money at?
Southwest.
No, money up there with my man. We're good. This dude is... One jump off! He jumped off! It's the landing! SD! Easy!
Oh, you still got a sniper here. We have a sniper. Or Nicky Bella still.
Oh no, I'm robbing this dude loot. Yo, medkit down at the
Oh, my rush.
What, money AFK?
Yo, man,
money
trouble.
ain't playing. Oh.
Uh-oh. Come on, yo. What one thing
Oh, yeah, they
every
deep
time
over
somebody
here,
gets close to me, yo, my thing just fly up.
Yo, 2 of them with the money.
Yo, I couldn't even hear me right, yo.
Yo, back in that dusty, money. Whoa.
Oh, so I'm back.
Sorry, I might have blocked you right there. I got my gun out, yo. Damn, one.
Damn, Nicky Bella skin, yo.
It's a whole team of people. It's a whole broken houses.
GG, yo. Them boys not play. Alright, yo, I'm about to end this stream right now, yo. I'm about to this stream, you know. So, like, pretty much finished everything at work right now, so we're about to go home. So, yeah, people, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can notify every single time I drop a video or go live. It's your boy Kirklyn Brown, guys. I think I'll have an upload for you guys tomorrow. If not, Monday. Yeah. But I'm gonna try to see if I can do some stuff over the weekend to give you guys some content Monday. Whether Fortnite related or not Fortnite related. So yeah, again, guys, thank you all for passing through. It's been amazing. Sorry for the terrible gameplay today because I didn't kill nobody. But yeah. It's your boy Kirklyn Brown, guys. Again, see you guys in another video. Take care.